Guys, this is Redneck Dipper here, back with you with another video, and give me 1 second. There we go, that's better. I turned on the light, but, I'm gonna be reviewing a knife, but before we get to that, let's pack us some dip. I have about half a can left. There we go. Alright, so, my dad went to, South Carolina, last week, and he got me a little souvenir from there. It says, Myrtle Beach, South Carolina, #1 son. Alright, so let's look at some of these tools that it has on it. Alright. Tool number 1. A bottle cap opener. Tool number 2. A screwdriver. Alright, tool number 3. Scissors. Tool number 5. A saw. Tool number 7. A knife. Tool number 8. A screwdriver. This needs a little working in right here. Alrighty, tool number 9. Whatever this thing is. If you guys know what this thing is, comment down below so I know what it is. Tool number 10. A corkscrew. Tool number 11, one of those things that you take with your nail and go like that right there to get their dirt out, or you could like grind it down, grind the nail down. What? Tool number 12. Whatever this thing is. And also, again, if you guys know what this is right here, comment down below. So I would know what it is. So that's all the tools that's on here. And check out this handle blade right here. It's all wood. Same thing for this side. Feels like it's about 2 pounds or something like that. Well, not really 2 pounds, but I kind of have a scale somewhere, so I'll be right back. And let me find that scale. I can't find that scale, but I'm just estimating about, like, I don't know, about 2 pounds, a pound. Because that's what it kind of feels like. If you guys ever, like, drink out of those small Mountain Dew cans, it feels about like that, all the way full. Actually, I have a mini one right here for an example. You can tell it's small. But I didn't tell that it's supposed to be like that. Like about the weight of that, all the way full. So yeah, that's my knife review. So I hope you guys like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you.